Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thanks to my honorable teacher Tanbir Ahmed Choudhury who gave me a chance to create this kinds of presentation in this situation. My name is MD Mojibur Rahman Khan, ID 192235705, Department of Textile Engineering. Welcome to my presentation. My presentation topic is dyeing of 100% cotton fiber with reactive dye. Next, here we can see two pictures. The first one showing how the fabric is colored by reactive dye and the second one is mixed of reactive color. Next, introduction. Reactive dyes are probably the most popular class of dyes to produce fast dyeing on pieces goods. These were first introduced a little over 40 years based on a principle which has not been used before. These dyes react with fiber forming a direct chemical linkage which is not easily broken. They are low cost, easy of application, bright shades produced by them coupled with good wash fastness make them very popular with pitch good dyes. Even in threads these classes are gaining in popularity for cotton sewing. Next, reactive dye. Reactive dye is only dye that reacts with the textile fiber and makes covalent bond with fiber. Under the suitable condition, it reacts with hydroxyl or NH2 of the fiber and forms covalent dye substrate linkage. These are mainly used for dyeing cellulose fibers such as cotton and viscose. Next, cotton fiber. The earliest cellulosic fibers were lines and cotton, both of which have been used since remote quantity. Cotton was considered a luxury fabric as it was imported all the way from India and usually dyed or printed before it was shipped. Cotton was also valued because of brightness and color fastness of the dyes used to color it and also for its use in making candle wicks. Cotton weaving establishment new formed in Italy in the 13th and 14th centuries, but they did not make a significant economic impact on the industry as they produced a coarser quality of fabric. Next, properties of reactive dyes. 1. Reactive dye is anionic dye which can be used for dyeing of cellulosic, protein and polyamide fibers. 2. Reactive dye is suitable in water. It comparatively cheap, occurs in alkaline condition. This dye have been very good light fastness and wash fastness. Reactive dyes give brighter shades and moderate rubbing fastness and good perspiration fastness. 7. Dyeing method of reactive dye is easy and it requires less time and high temperature for dyeing. Next, dyeing mechanism of reactive dye. The dyeing material with reactive dye take place in 3 steps. Number 1, exertion of dye in presence of electrolyte. Number 2, fixation under the influence of alkali. Number 3, wash off the unfixed dye from material surface. Next, dyeing procedure of cotton fiber by reactive dye. 1. At first, auxiliaries and water are added in the dye bath and it is kept for 5 minutes. 2. Then material dye is added respectively. Number 3. After 10 minutes, salt is added. After adding salt, dye bath is heated to 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, kept for 20 to 30 minutes. This is the exertion period of dyeing. 4. Then alkali is added in the dye bath. After adding alkali, the dye bath is heated 40 to 60 minutes at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. This is the fixation period. Next, after treatment. In the dyeing of deep shades or insufficient washing equipment, there may be incomplete removal of unfixed dye. After treatment with cationic dye fixed agent, insolubilize the unfixed dye, improves wash fastness, treated with 5 to 10 gram per liter cationic dye fixed agent at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for 10 to 30 minutes. Treatment with dye fixing agent is not suitable for wash off process. Next, conclusion. Nowadays, reactive dye are very popular for textile coloration because of its some specific properties like color fastness, wide range of shade, brilliance of shade, good reprobability, and simple application procedure. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.